Next, start adjusting the bottle cap conveyor track. Place the test bottle cap on the initial track. Push it gently. Make sure the bottle cap can pass through smoothly. There are 2 screws on the front and back that can be adjusted. The screws on the guardrail can adjust the height. The height must ensure that only one bottle cap can pass through smoothly. If the bottle cap gets stuck here, you need to adjust these 2 screws. After making the adjustments, the bottle cap should be able to pass through without any obstruction. Now, starting to adjust the looseness of the end of the bottle cap conveyor track. Adjust the screw, and there's another screw at the front. Make sure the bottle cap can pass through without obstruction. That's all.